Let's see it up next to the big dog. Check that out. Yes, sir. Beautiful.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating, then you broke, boy, take a seat. And that ain't heat that you be dropping, that be weekly.
Young boy on the
What's up, guys? Welcome to True Boys RC. Today we finna be talking about the new Traxxas Maxx. Just came in today, baby. Traxxas done dropped another one. This thing is fire, guys. Check that out. On one of the copyrights. Let's see it up next to the big dog. Check that out. Yes, sir. Beautiful. Alright, so let's go down. Get some pictures of it. We're gonna type in Traxxas Maxx. See if it bring up anything. There we go, right here. More information on the Traxxas Maxx. Meet the new Maxx. First delivery models in stores soon. It's a 1/10 scale Maxx monster truck. Let's go in and see some specs. It's a 4S, 16 volts, 60 plus miles per hour. Check that out. It's beautiful, man. I'm digging those tires. It's a beautiful truck, man. Absolutely stunning. On 4S, that's surprising me, man, that it's 60 plus miles per hour. First delivery models in stores soon. It will be $549.99. Check that out. You have your fan, your motor, your ESC, plastic chassis brace. It's pretty cool, man. Let's check this out. Click for details. You have aluminum shock. You have modular chassis design, heavy duty suspension arms, waterproof from the start, max steering, full length motor cradle, shock tower design. So that's a newer shock tower design. Sort of look like the other one, but it's more full. New wheels and max tires. That's pretty cool. We have your battery tray over here. Check, that's drivetrain. Full contact sealed bearings, shock absorbing crush drive. Looks plastic. Torque basing center drive, aluminum spline drive shaft, extreme duty telescoping drive shaft, which are plastic, and you have the steel gear differentials. That's pretty cool, man. New wheels and max tires. All right, you have your full length motor cradle, 540 XL motor. You have your shock tower design. Okay, your waterproof from the start receiver box. 2090 servo, max steering authority. You have GT Max aluminum shocks. So this is the X Max shocks. This is the GT Max shocks. And it's the GTR. Heavy duty suspension arms. That does look heavy duty, man. I like that. Pretty cool. And it's a 3-piece also like the X Max. Modular chassis design. Full contact sealed bearings, shock absorbing crush drive, torque basing center drive, aluminum spline drive, steel gear differential, and I'm liking this orange, blue, and black. And then you have the gray, black, and blue. And this thing is epic, man. Look at that. Ripping it up, baby. A 1/10 scale. Ready to go. Yes, sir. Look at that, man. I can't believe a 4S doing that. Man, look at that. So you have your body post. Has the easy access for the body, just like the X Maxx. That motor. Yes, sir. Yeah, I like it, Traxxas. That's all I'm going to say, baby. I like it. Oh, you have a red, black, and white one. I like the wheelie bar in the back. There you go. And you have all your dimensions right here. Your motor specs. I like this. Your ESC specs. Alright, guys. So that's all I wanted to talk about today. Let me know what y'all think about the new Traxxas Maxx down in the comment section, baby. We're going to see y'all next time on True Boys RC. Peace.